the accused to be escorted to Kerogoya prison, remand. 2, an advocate be appointed for him. 3, my lord, that he undergoes a mental assessment. Yes, I'm told mental assessment has already been done.
So it's just the boy appeal on remand and appointment of a lawyer.
Yes, my lord.
Also the first time he's appearing in court.
Correct.
The accused is remanded to the Kerogoya prison. Only the next sentence. Mention to the clear.
Can we have a plea on 24th of January?
Mention of plea taken on 24th of January 2020.
Most obliged, my lord.